Hello kids and parents! Today we will learn shapes with toys. Let's go! Circle. A circle is round, like a ball or the sun. Square. A square has 4 equal sides, like a toy block. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, like a party hat. Star. A star shines bright in the sky or on your sticker. Now let's practice. Point to a circle. Clap for the square. Wave for the triangle. Say star. Great job, kids and parents! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!